abdomen down in there. It looks like she's pulling out. There, she just pulled her abdomen out. So if you got her, let's see. Oh yeah, it looks like you have her in the middle there. Okay, she just stuck her abdomen down into the hole again. So here's the queen right here. She just pulled her abdomen out. She's just slid it down into another cell. And so she's squeezing out a single little egg and sticking it to the very, very, very bottom of the cell. Because a whole bunch of other bees have been hatching the last couple of days, so there are a lot of empty cells that are now available. This arc is all full of brood cells, so that means there are either eggs or little grubs that are being tended to. The cells that are covered over, like these ones here, here, all of these brownish covered cells have a little grub that's changing into an adult bee right now. And then those adult bees are going to be emerging. Some of these cells have adult bees emerging today. There's one right here that's trying to come out, and a couple more below. So this little group right here are adult bees trying to come out of their cells. Then there's honey all up in these cells here. And then these ones that have a flatter whitish yellow cap are cells of honey that are now capped over for storage until they need it in the winter time.